we're going to make a boat, and then we're going to read the book Who Sank the Boat by Pamela Aarons. Now what we need is a piece of A4 paper. What we're going to do, the first step is to fold the paper in half in a rectangle, not a rectangle, in a oblong. Have it like that in an oblong shape, and then we actually have two pieces of paper now. The fold is underneath here. So what we're going to do next is picking the top bit up and folding that half again down mindfully, one step at a time, intentionally, to fold them in line. So when we have done that, we flip it over. Same thing, we pick up the paper from the top and we fold it down to the level. So we have got the papers looking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 fold. Once we have got to that step, then with the opening up, the paper actually folding up this one there, the opening it's on the bottom, we fold a triangle like this. 1 triangles. From that triangles, we half that triangle. We have another fold. We fold that in there again, just like this. Once we have done that, we're going to balance it out, doing exactly what we have done to the right hand side. On the left hand side, same thing. We pick up the papers. Can you see the papers have the folding in there, have two pieces of paper there. So we pick one up, we fold it down, a triangle like this, and then we fold another half. We half that again like this. So once we have done that, there's a bit on the top there. What do? We pinch that one down just a little bit, that much down. Then we're done on this side. Once we have done on this side, we flip it over like this. Again, we pick up the right hand side corners, we fold it downward, a triangle. We fold triangles like this. From that triangle, we half that triangles. From that starting point there, we half that again. Now we're done on this right hand side. We're going to balance this one out, one step, one fold at a time, mindfully, practicing living in the present moment, every present moment. For another triangle like this, and then we half the triangles again. When we practice to live in the present moment in everything we do, we will be less with stress. That's it. It's done. So the folding is actually done. It's look like this. It's look like this. Once we have done that, what we're going to do, we're going to open it up. Mindfully, we open that up, and with trusting and with believing that the paper and the boat's going to be okay. Now open it up like this. We turn it onto the other side. It look like this. What we're going to do, we're going to fold it inside out, outside in. We're going to flip it like this. We have to believe that the papers and our intentions that we're going to flip it and everything is going to be okay with trust. And it is trust, okay? The papers, flip it over in one piece, and we have a boat. Can you see how easy it is to do with the intention, with single-mindedness, with that focus and that belief that we can do it, one breath at a time, mindfully. There. Now, I would like to actually to share with you with the songs that I normally enjoy singing when I'm making boat. It goes, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.